when watching. Software wasn't 7.2. Looking at life through the eyes of diver. Eating seeds is the pastime activity. The toxicity of a city. No! Ready on the road! Ready on disaster! Now! Somewhere between sacred and silence is leading. Somewhere between the sacred and silence is leading. Disorder. Guys! 1, 2, 3, go! Cima da cera reggiata, legge pagella, vegliare sullo sullo. Udurahata ek nayi duniya ka pata mere yaar suno suno. Oh anjani raahon mein tha wo lehron ki baahon mein tha wo sabne kaha tha ki samundron mein jana nahi mere yaar suno suno. हवा के पीछे जाके कुछ भी है पाना नहीं मेरे यार सुनो सुनो. वो अपनी ही धुन में रहा वो सुनता था दिल क्या कहा वो उसके थे जो सपने वो इसके थे अपने ऐसा था सिम्बा का सेल. उसके थे जो सपने वो इसके थे अपने ऐसा था सिम्बा का सेल. गाता है दिल तुम नहीं तो जीत कहाँ तुम हो तो सब हासिल तुम नहीं तो क्या है यहाँ तुम हो तो है सपनों के जैसा समा जो तुम हो तो ये लगता है कि मिल गई हर खुशी. जो तुम ना हो ये लगता है कि हर खुशी में है कमी. तुमको है मांगती ये जिंदगी.
over. It's not like we are dead. Was it something I did? Was something you said? Don't leave me hanging in a city so dead. Held up so high on such a breakable thread. You are all the things I thought I knew, and I thought we could be. You were everything, everything that I wanted.
That I love you.
We were meant to be, supposed to be, but we're lost there.
Can't imagine.
All of our memories so close to me just fade away. All this time was unpretending, so much from our happy ending. So much from my happy ending. So much from my happy ending.
Come on, guys. Clap your hands. Yeah, that's it.
Come on.
उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं डूब जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। एक कर दूं आसमान और ज़मीन, करो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं। पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार। कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, है दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा पहला खुमार।
Yo, we want some nuts!
Next song. Come on, guys, clap your hands. You do one, don't forget myself. You include everyone. I tuck you in, warm within, keep you free from sin till the sanity comes. Gripping one eye open, gripping your pillow tight. And tonight, take my hand. You never lie. Yo, come on, you girls, backstage.
Come on, let's rock!
बोलो 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 क्या देखा, बोलो 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 क्या देखा, बोले मेरे में क्या देखा। मुश्किल चेहरे नजारों हैं, मेरी उदास निगाहों में बोले क्या देखा, क्या देखा। मेरी गाड़ी देखी या मेरा बंगला देखा, या मेरा सारा बैंक बैलेंस देखा। मेरे सपने देखे ना मेरा जज्बा देखा, ना मेरा टूटा हुआ दिल देखा। तूने प्यार मुझसे नहीं है, प्यार मुझसे नहीं है, प्यार मुझसे नहीं है। मैं तुझसे दूर चला जाऊं या पास चला आऊं, इकरार मुझसे नहीं है। Everyone tonight. This is Christmas time, guys.
Merry Christmas!
Sing us with us.
And so we drop this best as we can go, until the black night, black eyes and the snow, until we see the street signs and we know we're coming home. Good tidings will bring to you and your kid. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. What the words of finger God, bring God blessing continues on. We laugh and compliment Him. Merry Christmas, good tidings we bring to you and your King. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you guys.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, support.
Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, students, for giving us this energy in such a winter chilly evening. It will take some time for starting the program. Kindly hold your breath. Our chief guest is gonna come very soon. A very good evening to one and all present here. This evening is completely different. You will yourself discover as the colors of cultural feast unfold. Well, my first and foremost duty, on behalf of the principal, teaching staff and students, my co-host Riju ma'am and I, Ayushi, we welcome you to our annual day function, Anugunj. We feel honored to have with us the Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Mr. G.S. Rath, the Director General of Police. Sir, you hardly need any introduction. You have made all of us proud by your distinguished work in numerous capacities. You are the most celebrated dignitary. Our guest of honor, Mr. Harish Munjal, the founder director of the school, the man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an ideal of knowledge and experience and inspiration for all of us. Mrs. Shushma Munjal, our academic director, Mr. Vipul Munjal, our chairman, and our board of directors, Mr. Ritul Munjal, Mrs. Prerna Munjal, and Mrs. Haneet Munjal. Now I would like to request our founder director to present the shawl as a gift gratitude to our chief guest, and our academic director to present the shawl to our guest of honor. शब्द अपनी जगह से उठते हैं, भावनाओं की परिक्रमा करते हैं,
एहसासों के अनुगूंज कुंड से जीवन की विभूति के प्रयाप का शंखनाद करते हैं। अनुगूंज आरंभ का आगाज है। Without taking much of your time, permit us to start the program. I would now request our chief guest to start our traditional auspicious light-lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
निप्रतिम्भ्यवेतो नावावणिं गच्छति नातिरिक्षम् देशं न काञ्चित् विदिशं न काञ्चित् श्रेयाक्षयात् केवलमेति शान्तिम् एवं कृतो निप्रतिम्भवेतो नावावणिं गच्छति नातिरिक्षम् देशं न काञ्चित् विदिशं न काञ्चित् श्रेयाक्षयात् केवलमेति शान्तिम्
Thank you, sir. Thank you all for doing us the honor. Now I would like to call upon our school captain, Pragati Kathor, to give away the welcome speech.
A very warm good evening to all the wonderful people present here. On every blade of grass, there is an angel sitting, saying time and again, grow, grow. As we learn, we grow. With these lines, I, Pragati Kathor, the school captain, welcome one and all present here. I heartily welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. G.S. Rath, Director General of Police, Jharkhand, for the annual day function of our school, Anugunj 2012. I'm also really happy to welcome our founder director, Mr. Harish Munjal, academic director, Mrs. Munjal, principal sir, and other guests who amidst their tight schedule have shared their valuable time to attend this function with us. I also welcome our teachers and non-teaching staff. In today's celebration, our main heroes are our students, so I welcome them and their parents on the annual function of our school. I once again welcome everybody and hope you enjoy this cultural extravaganza which is going to unfold in a few moments from now. I hope you enjoy this evening and also see the abundance of talent going to be present in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragati. Now I would like to request our chairman to present the school annual report.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri G.S. Rath, Director General of Police, Jharkhand. Our Founder Director, Shri Harish Munjal, Academic Director, Mrs. Munjal, Trustees and Managing Committee members of Firalal Public School, Principal Mr. Dwivedi, distinguished guests, teachers, staff and dear students. A warm welcome to all of you on the occasion of the school's 15th annual day celebration, Anugunj. Before I present the annual report, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Guest Shri G.S. Rath for his gracious presence on this auspicious occasion and wish Mrs. Rath would have been with us for the evening. Unfortunately, she is not well. The last academic year and the current session has been significantly eventful for us. There has been undivided attention and a lot of stress given on two aspects: First, all-round and holistic development of the students, and the second is to instill a sense of self-discipline. We realize that since the school is growing at a fast pace, we must keep sync with the growth, and hence our focus has been to properly implement and fine-tune the existing systems and procedures, and also to create new systems which will further fuel growth and also solidify the existing systems. These systems are in place to create the right kind of atmosphere in the school so that the children can prosper and get a platform to showcase their talent, not only in cultural events but also academically. The school was granted affiliation by CBSE for senior secondary level, that is for classes 11 and 12 in the year 2009. The phase after 2009 was extremely important as the senior students are the ones who set a culture in the school. And I can firmly say that initially after a few jitters, things have fallen in place reasonably well, and particularly in the last academic year and the current session. The students seem to be more focused and academically better oriented to face the board examination, which will help in delivering a significantly better result in the upcoming board exams. The students of various classes have been exposed to career counseling sessions. Experts from various fields of science have come and guided the children from time to time. The teachers have undergone a number of training sessions and teaching workshops, which have helped them sharpen their skills and has also helped them keep pace with the changing teaching techniques. The students of class 10th and 12th who appeared in the board exams 2012 passed with flying colors. I would like to take this opportunity to advise the students who are going to appear in the upcoming board examination in March 2013 to shed their complacency and to study even harder than what they have been doing. We must teach the students to strive for excellence, as there is always scope for improvement in the results, and I am sure that the next batch will perform even better than the previous one. On the co-curricular activities front, the students participated in various inter-school cultural and literary events. To name a few, 8th DOCS Inter-School Co-Curricular Competition, Vivekanjali 2012 at Vivekanand School, Dhurwa, Debate and Skit Competition at International Library and Cultural Center, Quiz Competition at Oxford School, Painting Competition at Raj Bhavan, and the list goes on. Many students earned laurels for themselves and the school, but the important aspect to focus here is the spirit of participation. A student might not get an award, but the confidence and motivation he achieves by participating spurs him on to compete, and he can judge for himself where he stands amongst the crowd, and thereafter he embarks on a journey of self-improvement. I think in the past year we have been able to successfully motivate a majority of the students to participate in these competitions. A special mention should also be made about the 3 school teams which participated in the international competition held in City Montessori School, Lucknow at different times. 5th Odyssey International English Literary Fest 2012, Mac Fair International and Confluence International. Each fest was held with a different objective in mind, ranging from oratory skills, dramatics, mental skills, etc. Over 50 schools from India, Sri Lanka, Nepal and the UAE participated in these events. I am very proud to announce that our school team which participated in the 5th Odyssey International English Literary Fest 2012 at Lucknow won the award for the most well-groomed international team. However, one must realize that the students who represent the school in these international and inter-school competitions have to first be groomed in the inter-house platform. It is an extremely important and relevant platform wherein they develop their leadership skills, learn about the importance of interpersonal relations, how to carry a team along and work in coordination with each other. Our effort is now more and more to ensure that each and every student participates in various inter-house activities so that there is a fierce competition at this level and the general level of the students selected to represent the school continuously improves. On the infrastructure front, the school building is entirely complete with the completion of the 3rd floor. A new 60-seater well-furnished high-tech computer lab has been set up and is functional from June 2012. The total number of computers in the new lab and the old one is about 100, and a student computer ratio of 1:1 per section is now being maintained. Bus facility of the school has been enhanced and has now started to cater to the outskirts of the city as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I have detailed the progress of the school and assure you that we will strive hard continuously towards excellence. At the end, I would thank you all for your benign presence on the 15th annual day of Firalal Public School, and I am sure that you will enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for telling us our annual report, and hope that we are able to reach the peaks through our student. Without taking much time, permit me to start today's program. I would like to call upon the tiny tots of our school, the students of class 2, to present before you the welcome dance choreographed by our very own Mrs. Krishna Sampson.
Sada to the Tiny Tots. Now I would request Sandeep to please come up on the dais and give the prologue.
परम आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, माननीय मैम, आदरणीय सर, सम्माननीय गुरुजन, आमंत्रित अभिजन एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आप सभी का शुभ अभिनंदन। आज हम सभी यहाँ अपने विद्यालय का वार्षिक उत्सव मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। आज की इस सांस्कृतिक संध्या अनुगूंज 2012 में संपूर्ण विश्व संस्कृति की झलक आपके सामने साकार हो उठेगी। हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में जहां एक और राजस्थान और झारखंड की लोक नृत्य हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर कथक और पाश्चात्य नृत्य की शास्त्रीयता भी है। हमारे देश की विशेषता अनेकता में एकता को प्रदर्शित करने वाला नाटक भी है, तो दूसरी ओर विभिन्न धर्मों की छटा लिए नृत्य संगीत से विभोर कर देने वाला नृत्य नाटिका हारमोनी मल्टी रिलीजियस एक्ट भी हैं। वर्तमान की सबसे ज्वलंत समस्या बाल श्रम और कैरियर पर आधारित कुछ ऐसे नाटक भी हैं जो आपको सोचने पर मजबूर कर देंगे। इसके अतिरिक्त मॉडर्न पोल्का, अरेबियन और अफ्रीकन शैली के नृत्य भी हैं एवं हमारे विद्यालय के बैंड का रॉक शो भी है जो आपको झूमने और थिरकने पर विवश कर देंगे। आशा ही नहीं, पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आपके कानों में हमारी अनुगूंज की गूंज देर तक गूंजते रहेगी। धन्यवाद। शुभमस्तु।
थैंक यू संदीप। शंखनाद के साथ अनुगूंज का आगाज अगर हो ही गया है तो आइए इस शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत करते हैं। कहा जाता है किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत देवी माँ के नाम से होती है। देवी माँ के अनेक रूपों में एक रूप दुर्गा माँ का भी है। गॉडेस दुर्गा is the personification of the divine force of the superpower, and therefore she is regarded as the ever victorious warrior of God's lineage. In order to portray the different images of Goddess Durga, we present in front of you the Tiny Tots of Class Prep, and the performance has been coordinated by Mrs. Priya and Mrs. Ruby.
शुभ अभिनंदन। हमारे विद्यालय के वार्षिक समारोह में आप सभी का हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत। जब तक है ये जिंदगी फुर्सत न मिलेगी काम से, जब तक है ये जिंदगी फुर्सत न मिलेगी काम से, कुछ पल के लिए ही सही प्यार कर लो अपनी माँ से। माँ ये एक ऐसा नाम, एक ऐसी छवि जो ममता और करुणा की मूर्ति होती है। ईश्वर ने अपने प्रतिबिंब के रूप में हर घर में माँ को बनाया है, लेकिन एक ऐसी माँ जो हम सब की माँ है, वो है संपूर्ण जगत की जननी माँ जगदम्बा। अधर्म पर धर्म की स्थापना करने वाली शेरा वाली की पूजा अर्चना हम दुर्गोत्सव के रूप में मनाते हैं। आइए हम इनके अनेकों रूप के दर्शन करें। ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शांतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ये कितनी सुंदर स्त्री है। अरे मुंड, ये भी कितनी सुंदर है। आहा, कितनी सुंदर स्त्री है। संपूर्ण विश्व में मैंने इतनी सुंदर स्त्री कहीं नहीं देखी। हाँ हाँ, ठीक कहते हो तुम, मैंने भी नहीं देखी। कितना अच्छा हो अगर हमारे महाराज का विवाह इस स्त्री से हो जाए। हाँ हाँ, चलो चलो महाराज को ये खबर सुनाते हैं। मेरा नाम शुंभ है और मैं हूँ निशुंभ। हमारे महाराज का आदेश है, तुम्हें हमारे साथ चलना होगा। हमारे महाराज तुमसे विवाह करना चाहते हैं। मैं तुम्हारे साथ हरगिज नहीं जाऊंगी। अगर तुम हम लोगों के साथ नहीं चलोगी तो मैं तुम्हारे केस घसीटते हुए ले जाऊंगा। अरे दुष्ट, तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत, ठहर जा तू सभी। बचाओ! मैं हूँ रक्तबीज। ऐ स्त्री, तू संभाल अपने आप को। रक्षा हेतु माँ दुर्गा को चंड, मुंड, शोम, विषोम और रक्त बीज जैसे भयंकर राक्षसों का वध करने के लिए शस्त्र उठाना पड़ा। हा 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 मैं हूँ महिषासुर, असुरों का स्वामी। तूने मेरे सभी वीर साथियों का वध कर डाला, मैं तुझे नहीं छोड़ूंगा। अरे दुष्ट अधर्मी, अब तू भी नहीं बच पाएगा। माँ की आरती करेंगे। दुर्गा माता की, माँ जगदम्बे की, उमा भवानी की। धन्यवाद।
Please give them a big round of applause. सर्व मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि बच्चों में भगवान बसते हैं। श्री कृष्ण ने अपने मुंह में सारा ब्रह्मांड दिखा दिया और आज इन बच्चों ने दुर्गा स्तुति को जीवंत रूप में प्रस्तुत किया। धन्यवाद बच्चों। रिजू मैम, क्या आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि स्टेज पर अभी भी रंगों की कुछ कमी है?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल।
चलिए स्टेज पर कुछ रंग और डालते हैं। Now moving towards the most colorful part of India, Rajasthan, known for their palaces, Kathputlis and Ghumar dance. This folk dance is performed in groups by women with a lot of twirling circles. Please welcome on stage the students of classes 7, 8 and 9 to present before you the Rajasthani folk dance choreographed by Miss Neha.
जाए कहाँ ये बता दे, तेरे बिना हूँ ओ सांवरे, ओ सांवरे।
Thank you students for such a colorful performance and bringing in front of us the glimpse of Rajasthani folk. Well, Ayushi ma'am, ये तो थी सिर्फ राजस्थान की बात। चलिए पूरे हिंदुस्तान की बात करते हैं अब। यदि हम पूरे हिंदुस्तान की बात करें तो यही कह सकते हैं, हर प्रदेश की अलग जुबान, पर मिठास की उनमें शान, अनेकता में एकता पिरोकर सबने मिलजुल देश सवारा। One of the famous philosophists, Edmund Burke, had rightly said, "So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth." Therefore, based on this theme, we present in front of you an action drama by the students of classes 1 and 2, choreographed by our very own Mrs. Krishna Samson.
बहुत सारे क्या बहुत सारे? अच्छा बताती हूँ। सूरज एक, चंदा एक, तारे अनेक। तारों को अनेक भी कहते हैं? नहीं नहीं, देखो फिर से। सूरज एक, चंदा एक करके तारे भले अनेक। ठीक से समझाओ ना दीदी। देखो देखो एक गिलहरी, पीछे पीछे अनेक गिलहरियाँ। एक तितली, एक और तितली, चिड़िया। हाँ दीदी दीदी वो देखो अनेक चिड़िया। अनेक चिड़ियों की कहानी सुनोगे? हाँ हाँ। एक चिड़िया एक एक करके अनेक चिड़िया। दाना चुगने आई चिड़िया। हमें भी सुनाओ ना। तो सुनो फिर से। एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया दाना चुगने बैठ गई थी। हाँ राम, और वहाँ व्याध ने एक जाल बिछाया था। व्याध कौन दीदी? व्याध चिड़िया पकड़ने वाला। फिर क्या हुआ दीदी? व्याध ने उन्हें पकड़ लिया, मार डाला। हिम्मत से कर जुटे रहे तो छोटे हो पर मिले रहे तो बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया। बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया। 1 2 3। चतुर चिड़िया सयान चिड़िया मिलजुल कर जाल लेकर भागी चिड़िया। दूर एक गांव के पास चिड़ियों के दोस्त चूहे रहते थे और उन्होंने चिड़ियों का जाल काट दिया। तो देखा कि तुमने अनेक सिर्फ एक हो जाते हैं तो कैसा मजा आता है। दीदी मैं बताऊं? हो गए एक, बन गई ताकत, बन गई हिम्मत। दीदी अगर हम एक हो जाए तो बड़ा काम कर सकते हैं। हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं। तो इस पेड़ की आम भी तोड़ सकते हैं। हाँ तोड़ सकते हैं पर जुगत लगानी होगी। अच्छा ये जुगत बड़ा मजा आएगा। निवासी सभी जन एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है। रंग रूप वेश भाषा है अनेक 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 है।
Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you students for giving us a wonderful message of university and diversity through your dance performance. समय अपनी गति से बढ़ता रहता है। यह वह पहिया है जो कभी नहीं रुकता। समय बदला और साथ में बदले लोग और रिश्ते। इंसान को इंसान की अहमियत नहीं रही और बढ़ावा दिया गया रक्त चरित्र को। आइए देखें इंसान के इसी रूप को। मैं मंच पे बुलाना चाहूँगी कक्षा 9वीं 10वीं और 11वीं के छात्रों को नाट्य नृत्य के प्रस्तुति के लिए, जिसका संचालन किया है श्रीमान दीप।
प्राचीन काल मगध सम्राट अशोक अपनी क्रूरता से राज्यों को जीतते हुए कलिंग पर आक्रमण किया।
जिपेगा कहाँ पे बजेगा बात पर है घात मौत की बिछी भी साथ उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मरेगा जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज आंधी है ये ज़लज़ला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किस्मत दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 डम 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 नाच मौत का मेरा तो मरेगा मेरा तो मरेगा मेरा तो मरेगा भाग 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 मेरा तो मरेगा मेरा तो मरेगा मेरा तो मरेगा मौत के पीछे पे साथ मेरा तो मरेगा डम 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 डम
हे सम्राट अशोक, यह कर तूने क्या पाया? यह दुनिया है एक भ्रम, एक माया। देख त्राही, सुन चित्कार, बिलखते परिजन ये हाहाकार। हे सम्राट अशोक, यह कर तूने क्या पाया?
ओह, यह मैंने क्या कर डाला। विश्व विजेता बनने की चाह में सुंदर बगिया ही उजाड़ डाला।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि।
पुत्र, मैंने जो किया कोई और न करे, इसलिए तुम जाओ और सारे जग में शांति का संदेश फैलाओ।
पिताश्री, हम विश्व भ्रमण पर जाएंगे, हर दिल में शांति की अलख जगाएंगे। हो हिंसा खत्म, शांति के फूल खिले, शांति का संदेश सारे जग में फैलाएंगे।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि।
मैं समय हूं, आज उसी धरती पर धर्म, जाति, भाषा के नाम पर अशांति का बोल बाला है। हर जगह हिंसा ही हिंसा फैली है। हे दहशत फैलाने वालों, कभी अपने दिल से सोचो, कभी झांको अपनी अंतरात्मा को, कभी परखो उसको, कभी तो उसको जानो। समय हो। प्राचीन काल मगध सम्राट अशोक अपनी
Please give them a big round of applause, parents and all the respected members sitting over here, by turning back to the pages of history. If we talk about history, then Ayushi ma'am, don't you think that because of history we had come across so many cultures and civilizations?
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely correct. Otherwise, our history books wouldn't be so very thick.
Very sure. And even I feel that these civilization and cultures of India had given birth to many dance forms. So, our next performance is a breathtaking performance where the students are going to mesmerize you with a Jugalbandi dance in which you're going to find a glimpse of many classical dance forms of India. And the performers are the students of class 6, 7 and 9, and the dance has been choreographed by Miss Neha.
कृधाती धागे ना धुन घेना धागे ना धा तिटके के ताकत ने धागे ना धुन तुन तुन तुन्ना तुन्ना घेना घेना के ताकत ने धा घेना घेना धीना घेना धागे ना धा तेटे कता कता कता
them a big round of applause. I still feel lost in the music dip notes. हाथ में उसको कलम का आना अच्छा लगता है, उसको भी स्कूल को जाना अच्छा लगता है. बड़ा कर दिया गर्दिश ने वक्त से पहले, वरना सर पे किसको बोझ उठाना अच्छा लगता है. Yes, you are correct. I am talking about the biggest problem which India has been facing, child labor. Let's see what our students have got us to teach through their play. I would like to call upon the students of class 10, and the drama has been directed by our very own Mr. Chandradeep Sharma.
Myself Saurabh, as a boy working in a hotel.
Myself Susan.
I am Priya. We are doing the role of customers.
Myself Naman, and I am doing the role of Harkat father.
Myself Vijay.
Myself Ashutosh.
Myself Shreyak.
And we are doing the role of students.
Myself Farid, and I am doing the role of newsreader hawker.
Myself Aishwarya, I am also in the role of newsreader hawker.
So, Jackie, please, I can't bear all this.
What I can do for you?
You take me to some other place.
I am not a million, and I am not in a condition to take a 5-star hotel.
Oh God, after marrying, my life has just become hell.
Oh, please, don't get us in over here. Come in and have some food.
Okay, fine.
Come. Oh, Alcott, wake up. Can't you see customers have come and you are still sleeping? Just go and serve them.
You, such a dirty boy will serve. Just look at his condition, so dirty.
Oh, please, dear, manners for today now.
No, I can't. I'm just
Oh,
going.
please come. Where are you going? Here you come.
No.
Come sit now.
Papa, what happened? Why you are leaving? Is there any problem? Yes. Just look at your waiter. So dirty.
Ma'am, please don't look at our waiter. Our food is more hygienic than any 5-star hotel. Please make yourself comfortable. We'll provide you a good service, madam. Have a seat.
Come, dear.
Have this glass of water. And you, come with me. I told you to be clean, wear clean clothes, behave properly with my customers, but no. Tell me, what do you want? Do you want to embarrass me in front of my people?
You don't give me clothes and you are saying to wear clean clothes.
How dare you talk to me like that? What the hell do you think of yourself? Just get lost. I don't want to see your face. I'm fed up of this boy.
Nobody loves me.
Oh God, get up. Still weeping at your stupidity? Take this. Give them the bill. I don't know from where they all come.
Now what happened?
Ma'am, your bill.
Just stay away from me. Just
Leave
give
it,
him the
dear.
money.
I'm giving it. Here you take. Now leave. Hey, you boy! Give me the money. Now go and wash the utensils. Go.
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
And A minus B whole square plus 2.
A minus that. A plus.
Hey, where you lost it?
Hey, you boy. Yes, brother, your book. What's your name? My name is Halkat.
Where do you study?
I don't study. I work at a hotel.
Wait, my brother. We have something for you.
What? Take this. Is this for me?
Yes.
I have brought this for my brother. But I think you are in more need of this. So you keep it. Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
See, he's the future of our country.
Work has not been completed and you are sitting over here. You are reading books. Get up. Go and wash utensils. Go. Reading books.
RK Dhaba. My son works over here only. Raghu Seth. Come out please.
Hey, who are you?
I am Halkat father. I need some money.
What do you want?
I am Halkat father.
No. This is not the right time of your son's salary.
Please sir. Please
no.
sir.
Just go away from me. Go.
Please sir. Give it sir.
No.
Please
Get
sir.
lost.
Please sir. Please sir.
Okay. Take this, but don't take alcohol from it.
Okay.
Go away. Are you spending of this father and son?
Father, father.
Yeah, my son.
You are getting drunk,
You
father.
go from here.
Father, I don't want to work,
Then
father.
what you will do?
I will study, father.
I have not studied. You will study. You go from here.
Please, father.
You go from here.
Take this ball.
Give me the ball.
Take.
Give me
Take
the
this
ball.
ball.
Give
Take.
me. Hey, you boy. You have not washed the tables. Who will do them? Go. Finish them. Go. Oh shit. He has again broken something. You work less and break things more. Now only father has taken away the money. Let's get lost. I don't need you.
Please, sir.
Go away.
Forgive me, sir.
No, get lost from here.
Please, sir.
No, go away from me.
Oh God, see what he has done. I told you to not to keep him in work, but no. Why will you listen to me? You are the most intelligent one, no? And you.
Please, ma'am, forgive me, ma'am.
See what you have done? You have broken my expensive glasses, and now you want me to forgive you? Just get lost. You deserve this only, tougher. And you keep these things with yourself.
Look, he's crying.
What happened? Why are you crying?
Hey, look at him. He's the boy who returned the book on that day. Stand
Yes,
up.
stand up.
What happened?
My master has thrown me out of my work.
So what?
What will I eat? Where will I stay?
You will stay with us.
We'll provide you the food.
I want to study also.
We will teach you.
You will teach me?
Yes.
You will teach me?
Yes.
No, I will not do work. I will study.
Yes, you will study.
I will study.
Yes, you will study.
Breaking news.
Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news.
India has lost the series against England. A boy named Halkat topped in IIT.
Topped in IIT?
Yes.
Halkat.
See, look at it. He's our Halkat.
Yes.
See, Halkat is coming.
You topped in IIT? Yes, I topped in IIT.
Yeah, my son, I was wrong and you were right. We should not treat children as a labor. We should provide them studies so that they can become a bright future of India, and we should respect them.
Protect child labor.
Stop child labor!
Still struggling with a major concern like child labor, and every year around thousands of children are becoming a victim of this horrendous crime. So being the citizen of India, let's take the onus to stop the crime and not be a part of it. चलिए समय की गति को आगे बढ़ाते हुए बढ़ते हैं। अब तक हमने भारतीय संस्कृति और परंपरा की बात की, यहाँ के नृत्य शैलियों की बात की, परंतु आयुषी मैम, क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता कि यही नृत्य संगीत के बिना कितना अधूरा है?
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने रिजू मैम।
सही कहते हैं, संगीत और नृत्य का साथ कभी नहीं छूटता। संगीत एक ऐसा लय है जो कानों में मिठास घोल दे। Music speaks every emotion and every feeling. Our next performance is a musical ball dance performance by the students of class 5, choreographed by Mr. Deepak.